करायचं
चेक करून
एक मिनिट
पेन येत नाही आहे त्याच्यावर
नेक्स्ट स्लाइडला क्लिक झालं आलं का
पेन येत नाही आहे
इग्नोर केलं का
तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइडला चालू
ऍक्टिव्ह का होत नाही
प्राजक्ता मॅडमला विचारू स्लाइड दिसत नाही का
शेवट आलं मोबाईल तुमच्याकडे नसेल एक मिनिट तो पेन घ्या साईडला लेक्चर झालं असेल आता
टैब चला
स्ट्रीमिंग स्टॉप किया
Hello students, welcome to this session of
तिकडे ऑन झालं का यूट्यूबला
यूट्यूबला ऑनच आहे ते गो लाईव्ह चालू आहे फक्त स्ट्रीमिंग स्टॉप केलं
Hello students, welcome to this session of ratio and proportion. Yesterday we completed sum number 6. Today we will start with sum number 7. Present ages of Vatsala and Sara are 14 years and 10 years respectively. After how many years the ratio of their ages will become 5:4? If you see in this word problem, the ratio of the ages, when it will become 5:4, we have Vatsala and Sara. Let's start the solution. Suppose we assume let x be the number of years after which their ratio of their ages will become 5:4. If we assign a variable and that variable will be x to when it will become 5:4. So let us assume a variable. Let x be the number of years. Let x be the number of years after which the ratio of their ages will become 5:4. So therefore, after x years, what will be Vatsala's age? To find Vatsala's age after x years. Here the present ages of Vatsala and Sara is given to us. What is the present age of Vatsala? It is 14 years. And so after x years, Vatsala's age is equal to x plus 14 years. That is the present age plus after x years how many years she'll be old. Then we have Sara's age. Now Sara's present age is given to us is 10 years. Sara's age is equal to x plus 10 years. So we got Vatsala's age and Sara's age after x years. Now from the given condition, what is given condition in the problem? The present age of Vatsala and Sara are 14 years and 10 years respectively. After how many years the ratio of their ages, see, the ratio of their ages will become 5:4. So as per the condition given in the problem, x plus 14 upon x plus 10 is equal to, what is the ratio given to us? 5:4. So 5 upon 4. Now here we will cross multiply. Therefore 4x plus 14 is equal to 5x plus 10. Therefore, now open the brackets. 4 multiplied by x gives me how much? 4x plus 4x. Now 4 multiplied by 40. We'll do it here on the rough side. 14 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4 and 1 5, which gives me 56. So I'll write here 56, which is equal to 5 into x gives me 5x plus 5 tens are 50. Therefore, we have 4x plus 56 is equal to 5x plus 50. Bring the x term on one side. Therefore, 4x, when this 5x is plus here. When this 5x crosses this equal to and comes to this side, it will become minus 5x, which is equal to 50. Now bring this 56 to your right hand side. This is plus 56. When this plus moves to the right hand side, it becomes minus 56. Therefore, 4x minus 5x. Subtract 4x from 5x, but keeping in mind the negative sign, the sign of the greater number here. And which is the greater number? 5 is the greater number. And what is the sign given to 5? Minus. So this becomes minus x, which is equal to 50 minus 56 gives me 6. What? Sign of the greater number here is minus. Therefore, now this minus gone. Therefore, we get x is equal to 6. Now we have got a variable value which is 6. But what is the ratio? When their ratio will become 5:4. Their ratio will become 5:4 when the value will become 6. That is after 6 years. That is after 6 years, their ratio, because we have assumed a variable, this variable x, we have assumed a variable x. What we assumed? We said that x be the number of years after which their ratios will become 5:4. So we got this x here. And what is this x? X is nothing but 6. That means after 6 years, their ratio will become 5:4. Therefore, final answer we write. Therefore, after, what value we got for x? 6. Therefore, after 6 years, the ratio of their ages will become 5:4. So We saw how easy this problem is. When we have the present ages with us, we have to just find that after how many years that ratio will become 5:4. Let's move on to the next problem. The ratio of the present ages of Rehana and her mother is, if you look at this, the ratio of Rehana and her mother is 2:7. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. What is Rehana's present age? After 2 years, if you look at the previous word problem and this word problem, see, in the previous word problem, the present ages was given to us. Here, the ratio of the present ages is given to us, 2:7. And after 2 years, again their ratio of the ages is given, which is 1:3. So what is their present ages? We have to find. Suppose we assume a common multiple of the given ratio. We assign a variable to the common multiple. Suppose we say let x be the common multiple of the given ratio. So let's start with this solution. Let the common multiple of the given ratio be x. Therefore, what is their present ages? Therefore, their present ages are 2x and 7x respectively. Now, after this, what is said? After 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. After 2 years, their ratio will be 1:3. So, after 2 years, their ages will be, what will be their ratios after 2 years? We have got 2x here and we have got 7x. That means after 2 years, that means 2 years have to be added to this quantity which is given to, because this is the present age. 2x is the present age. That means after 2 years, suppose I am 10 years old now. Now after 2 years, how much I'm going to be? I'm going to be 10 plus 2. That means I'll be 12 years old. Similarly here, after 2 years, their ages will be 2x plus 2 and 7x plus 2 years. Now after 2 years, what is the ratio given to us? The ratio of their ages is 1:3. Therefore, after 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. Looking at the condition, what is given in the problem? As per the condition given in the problem, the ratio of their ages after 2 years is 1 is to 3. See, 1 is to 3. They have given us here the ratio after 2 years. So, as per the condition given in the problem, 2x plus 2 upon 7x plus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. Cross multiply this. Therefore, 3 2x plus 2 is equal to, now 7x plus 2 multiplied by 1 gives me 7x plus 2. Therefore, now open the brackets. 3 into 2 gives me 6x plus 3 2s gives me 6, which is equal to 7x plus 2. Therefore, 6x, bring this 7x to my left hand side, minus 7x is equal to 2. Bring this 6 to this side, minus 6, because this is plus 6. When it comes to this side, it becomes minus 6. And this 7x is plus 7x. When it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 7x. Therefore, 6x minus 7x is minus x, which is equal to 2 minus 6 gives me minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Now we got the common multiple which was x, and here we have got the common multiple x is equal to 4. But what we have to find? We have to find Rehan's present age. This we have to find, Rehan's present age. What is Rehan's present age given to us? If you see here, Rehan's present age is given to us as 2x. Therefore, Rehan's present age is equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into what we've got the value of x here, 4, which is equal to 2 4s are 8 years. So we calculated Rehan's present age, which is 8 years. From this we came to know about Rehan's present age, when the ratio of Rehan and his mother, both their ages were given 2:7, and after 2 years the ratio became 1:3. Then we found the present age of Rehan. Let's move to the next sum. Comparison of ratios. Comparison of ratios. The numbers A, B, C, D. If you have 4 numbers A, B, C, D, being positive, if they are positive number, there are 3 rules for the comparisons of ratios, and this comparison can be done by 3 rules. For the comparison of ratio A upon B and C upon D, the first, if I'll just take this, cross multiply this, AD greater than BC. If AD is greater than BC, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. If AD is less than BC, if AD is less than BC, then this ratio here, A upon B, is less than C upon D. The third is equal to. If AD is equal to BC, then A upon B, this ratio is equal to this ratio. If AD is equal to BC, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. We will be solving a few examples based on these ratios in our exercise 4.2. Practice set 4.2. Using the property A upon B is equal to B upon A upon B is equal to AK upon BK. Fill in the blanks substituting proper numbers in the following. Substituting following numbers in the following. Now, there are two methods, three methods in doing this. In our previous standards, we have taken the 7. We have seen how many times it is multiplied. 7 fours are 28. So we use the same 4 here. 5 fours are 20. But here it is given to us that using the property, we will use the property A upon B is equal to AK upon BK. So let's write by using the property which is given to us. What is the property? A upon B is equal to AK upon BK. Here A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 7. Here A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 7. Therefore, using this property, we can solve this. If you take at this K, this K, if you take the same number is multiplied on both the sides, right? So 5 upon 7 is equal to 5 into 7 into. Now 7 fours are gives me 28. If you see 7 fours are give me 28. Same 4 here. 5 fours are 20. So what I got here? 20. Similarly, 5 upon 7 is equal to, let us take, we are getting here is 35. So 5 into 7, 7 into same number, 49. So what we get here? 49. Similarly here, 5 upon 7 is equal to 5 into 7 into, which is equal to, here we are getting 3.5. With what I multiply 7 so that I get 3.5. If I take 0.5, I'll get 3.5. Similarly, multiply this by 0.5, I get 2.5. You can check it here. 0.5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and this 2. Check it here also if you want. 0.5 into 7. 7 5s are 35 and this 3, put a point here. So what we get here? 3.5. Similarly, we can solve this. I told you this can be solved by even two methods. 9 upon 14 is equal to 4.5 upon dash, which is equal to 42. Dash upon 42, which is equal to dash upon 3.5. By using the same property, by using property, and which is the property given to us? A upon B is equal to AK upon BK. Similar, by using the said property, A upon B is equal to AK upon BK. Here also we have A as 9 and B as 14. So 9 upon 14 is equal to 9 into, and I have got here 14 into. What it gives me, if I multiply 9 with a certain number, I'm getting here 4.5. Let us try with certain number where we can get 4.5. Suppose I use 0.5 into 9. 9 5s gives me 45. And this 4 comes here. 4.5. That means if I multiply this 9 by 0.5, I am getting 4.5. Similarly, the same number as per the property AKBK, the same number has to be multiplied. So multiply this 0.5 by 14. We can check here 0.5 into 14. 5 4s are 22 into 5 1s are 5, 1, 0, 7, 1. What we, if you check, we will be getting let us check this. When we multiply 14 by 0.5, we get 7.7. 7 is the answer here. If you multiply this, you get 7.0, which is 4.5 on 7. So here we get 7, and 9 by 14 we had 9 by 14 is equal to 9 multiplied by and 14 multiplied by, which is equal to 14 multiplied by a number. 14 3s are 14 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 42. We got here 42. Use the same 3 here. 9 3s are 27. What we are getting here is 27. To find this, let 9 upon 14 is equal to, let this be x. Let it, we catch it as x. X upon 3.5. Therefore, keep x on one side. We have 9 into 3.5 upon 14, which is equal to, now when you multiply this, you get 2.25. So here what the answer we get is 2.25. So children, thank you very much. We will be continuing in the next session.